Have you ever heard of it's not who you know, it's what you know? Or it's not what you know, it's who you know. I'm about to dispel all the mysteries and reveal the secrets behind the what and the who. Are you ready? Good. I'm going to tell you take notes, because here it is. A who is a person and a what is a thing. Put them two together and your career sinks. As an acting coach and an actor, I gotta tell you something. Last night I had an interview, we had a group interview, with a fantastic actress. Her name is Leanne Johnson. Yeah, you know who I'm talking about, Leanne. And I learned something from her. She was talking about various things in the industry. And two of those things were what and who. Now picture this just for a minute. As the quote goes, it's not who you know, it's what you know. Or it's not what you know, it's who you know. Now, I know Leanne Johnson. And because I know Leanne Johnson, hello, Leanne, I listened very closely and took notes to what she had to say. Because who she is my friend. That's established. And what she knew and continues to learn benefited me greatly. So it's who you know, and what they know. Think about that for a minute. However, let's turn the camera around just for a moment. You're a who. What do you know? So sometimes it's what you know that leads you to who you know. For example, what I know is acting. What I know is my love and my passion for acting. So it helps me seek out who would benefit me the most, who I can learn from the most. So I look for the very best. I look for people, quite honestly, that know more than I do. Because if you look for people that know exactly the same thing that you do, you're not going to grow, and neither are they. Look above your head at who you could know, the prospects out there. This is why I say networking is so very important in this industry. I would say a good 80% of 100 is networking. Networking is basically this. Hello, my name is David. What's yours? And you come together and you see what comes of that relationship, because wealth is in relationships. That's what builds income. That's what builds financial wealth. It's not what you know, it's who you know. And after what you know from who you know, and then after what you know from who you know, you can pass that what you know on to new who you know. So actually, they both go together very well, don't they? Let me say that once again. But I'm going to talk to you about it. Has there ever been a significant other in your life? Has there ever been a person that helped you in your acting career, helped you in your lifetime, that was very significant, that knew more than you did, and told you what they knew, which caused you to grow and expand and be fulfilled and succeed in your acting career, in your life, in your relationships, in your marriage, in your fathering or mother? Right now, make a list. I want you to make a list. I want you to take one of these things, these apparatus things, okay, called a pen, and write down 3 people in your life that have changed your life for the better. 3 people, 1, 2, and 3. 3 people that have changed your life in your business, in your workaday, and in your personal life in some way. Write these people down. And then underneath those names, write down what they did and what they taught you and what you learned. And of course, how it benefited you. Because like I said at the beginning of this video, it's not what you know, it's who you know. But after you know what you know, you can pass it on to new who you knows, you know? If you need a coach, I may be the one for you. davidthompsoncoaching.co, davidthompsoncoaching.co. I would like to meet who you are, and you will meet who I am, and then we will put the what's together, what you know, what you don't know, what I know, what I don't know, and then together we can build something great for you. Remember, it's not who you know, it's what you know. Or is it what you know equals who you know? I think it works both ways.